how to make a cube and a pentagon. We need to take this apart to make room. First, I need to explain something to you about GeoDesic Gumdrop Designs. GeoDesic dome is a hemispherical thin shell structure. The triangular elements of the dome are structurally rigid and distribute the structural stress throughout the structure. This is an easy project with medium mess. This can be eaten as a dessert. The full time to complete is 30 minutes one day and 15 minutes the next day. The tools you need are 2 plates and a box of toothpicks. For the ingredients, you will need 1 large bag of gumdrops. There are cautions in this experiment, like always push sharp objects away from yourself. Always wash your hands before starting the experiment. Once finished, do not eat gumdrops that have had toothpicks in them because splinters can be left behind. So in this experiment, we will use squares and triangles to test the distribution of stress and to see whether the building can stay standing over time. So let's get started. There are 14 steps in completing this project. So before we get to step 1, we must tear down the octagon. We're going to tear it down. 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 Okay, time to tear it down. Gumdrop number 1. Toothpick number 1. This took a long time, so this will take maybe a few minutes to take apart this fully. Why am I only collecting gumdrops? I think I put too many toothpicks. See, it was a grown-up, but now it's turning back into a child. A child into a child. We used a lot of toothpicks. Part for last. The whole building part, we left the bottom, and it has 8 sides. I had to use 29 gumdrops to make the whole octagon dome. And you have a square once you put the toothpick, connect them together with the toothpick, like this. And you put gumdrops over them. Like that, you have the part of a cube. You get another toothpick and you connect the two gumdrops like this. And now I have my cube. I'm going to make a pentagon on this plate. I need 5 gumdrops. You need to align them like a pentagon. First, we need to lay it out. I'm going to use my toothpicks and press the gumdrops to make a pentagon shape flat on this plate. Next, press 2 toothpicks into the gumdrops so they come together at the top to form a triangle. Then press 1 gumdrop firmly onto both toothpicks to complete the triangle. So I'm going to repeat this until I have 5 new gumdrops suspended over 5 toothpick triangles. Now use 5 more toothpicks to connect to the 5 new gumdrops into making a second pentagon. each of the 5 new gumdrops so that it is